What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jack. So we're going to go over Gala games. Currency at 0.01636. Down 4.3 on the day. Seeing a market cap of 555 million. 24-hour volume is 57 million. So if we hop into the chart, we pull back directly to our target zone. So there's a couple options here. We can roll over, come a little bit deeper into the zone in between 0.01447, 0.01563 before bouncing. But we have hit the target, as you can see right here. So if we see continuation to the upside, you start to break the B wave high, which is currently at 0.01774. And then you could see a straight breakout back to the upside. That's if we see a straight push from here, and then you'd have like a 1, 2, and you'd push up 3, 4, 5. Otherwise, we can come a little bit deeper into this target zone before bouncing. The bearish scenario, we start to break the 78.6% fib level. We come down, we break these lows. If that does play out, then you have a bear pennant right here. And what you would do is take the measurement of the flag. And that could take you down to, that would take you down to below the bear market low, all the way down to 0.001879. So we haven't yet broke the bear market low. This could be a max pain pullback where it just makes everybody cry because it pulls back almost 99% of the wave one to the upside. We'll have to see how that plays out, but on the smaller time frames, if we push up from here, we break the B wave high, we can see a straight breakout. And then if we pull back a little deeper, you could look for a long out of this target zone of 0.01447 and 0.01563. All right, gang, my VIP rooms in my Discord are completely free, which include my daily crypto analysis for many coins. We have almost 3,000 members in the Discord, as well as I give 4x trade signals. We've been crushing it in 4x the last couple weeks. Just click the Discord link, top of the comments. You can join for free. Make sure to sign up to BITUNIX, no KYC, no VPN, all around the world, including North America. My subscribers who sign up through my link get 10% back on their fees on every single trade. All links down below. Smash up that like button, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.